is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are here learning acrylics. But today all I did was overlay on 5 nails. I have already went ahead and put 2 coats of polish on each nail. I am trying to convey a thought of Cruella Deville / 101 Dalmatians. But before we get into it, or what's left of it, I want to remind everybody I have a giveaway going on for designer nail art stickers. It is a worldwide giveaway. Anybody can enter that is subscribed to my channel. People weren't watching the video, they were just going straight to the description box and looking for the rules there, so I took them out. Watch the video and do the rules. Because so far it looks like only one person's done the complete rules was asked. So people, if you've already entered, go back and watch the video, follow the rules correctly, and enter again. Edit your post, do whatever you gotta do, but do it again. This was supposed to be for fun, and people are just skipping the video and going through it. It just bothers me. Anyways, that rant is over. It's supposed to be a fun giveaway. So please go enter, watch the video in full. We're gonna get into our Cruella Deville nails. I have got 2 white nails here. This is going to be for the 101 Dalmatians. We're gonna put the black spots on it. The black and the white nails is for Cruella. Uno más. That means 1 more. There's not much I remember from Spanish class. That is probably the most thing in my head, that and how to count to 10. Beyond that, I don't remember too much. And I ask, how are you? I know how to reply. Okay, we're doing well here so far. Got my little doggy peeking in on me. I have 2 Chihuahuas, or Pom Chows. They're mixed with Chihuahua and Pomeranian. There we go. Surprised how well this turned out. I don't have a good hand for straight lines. We're gonna pop these in the lamp. Oh, we'll leave these 2 here to finish those up. We're gonna pop these in the lamp, give these a full cure. While I do these, put the palette back over here. And we're gonna put us some Dalmatian spots. Just some random ones. Some 101 Dalmatian spots. So I did the acrylic overlay. I did all this off camera. I mean, I plan on doing the overlay off camera. I didn't plan on doing everything else off, but I did. There's our puppy spots. We're only going for a 30-minute cure. We're going to top coat with iGel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat. And then we're adding some bling. If I can find my wax picker upper. Oh no! There it is. There she goes. So make sure you top coat real well, because with stilettos and the acrylic, you know, they have the flare on the sides where they just go, they just curve. So get your whole nail. We're going to be adding some blank set nails. We are. So, we're going to do this one nail at a time. Let's hope I have enough of them. Let's hope. Oh no. Something on the top coat. Something was in it. Or actually it was out of here. But he got my top coat. I don't think we have enough big bling. We shall see. We have to dig some more out. Uno más. There we go. This says Cruella Deville to me. Alright, here we go with our last and final nail. And put that in for a full cure, which means 60 seconds. Here is our last and final cure. Put these away. Here's our puppy nails. I think those turned out really cute. I'm going to top coat these now. I think this manicure turned out really well. I hope it translates to you. Usually I'm doing all colored acrylic and glitter and stickers and stuff, but this time I wanted just to do just the overlay. Whoops. Whoopsie. There. Uno. Dos. Tres. These are so sweet looking. I really like how they came out. I really do. But I was going to have to use rhinestone glue. And that would have worked well too. That's what it's made for. Oh, I know what I was saying, but with the acrylics, I'm used to doing all the acrylic on camera with you, but today I decided to do the overlay off camera because it was just a quick little simple overlay. Buffed and filed off camera, of course, as always. Nobody wants to see somebody file a nail, especially when they're still a newbie. I've been doing acrylics for over a year now, and I still feel like I'm a newbie. There's still so much to learn. But, so I wanted to use some polish this time. And then I figured 101 Dalmatians. Yes. Yes. So this is what we have. Here is our finished product. Let me straighten these bad boys out. I think this turned out really, really nice. I think this does say Cruella Deville and 101 Dalmatians. Can you see my bling? There they sparkle. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the manicure for today. Cruella Deville and 101 Dalmatians. My interpretation. I think it turned out really nice. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Click all. That way you get notified of all videos, giveaways, and any useful information I feel you may need to know. Whew. I also do have a community tab here. You can go and leave me messages there. I should really start using it more often. Don't forget to go look for the Mickey Mouse video. That is where you can find my giveaway for the designer nail stickers. I don't have them out. It is for 2 winners. They are Louis Vuitton and Supreme. So go find that, go enter it. Please watch the video in full. See, there are 6 rules. So, and they are the giveaway part is spread out throughout the video. You have to watch the whole entire thing to hear all the rules, not just one little piece. If you don't follow the rules, you're not entered. You'll be disqualified. Like I said, as of when I have filmed this early Saturday morning. There's only one person that followed the rules. That doesn't say too much to everybody else. And I'm thankful for that one person that did listen and follow. Oh, I got two people that did listen and follow the rules. Well, leave yourselves a comment or leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.